All right, welcome back um to this session. Please, I beg you, subscribe to this channel. All right, subscribe to this channel. All right, without wasting our time on introduction, let's proceed. Remember, we talked about major currency pairs and all that. So, like we said, Euro USD have moved from um I made 2 pips move, 2 pips, yeah, 2 pips. So we moved from point A to point B, right? So it means that made 2 pips move. So sometimes a trader, your follow trader will ask you, guy, how many pips did you get from today's trading? Then okay, I made 50 pips today. So I made 100 pips today. Today market was cool. So I made 100 pips, So that pips can be converted. I'll show how to calculate it in the future. So moving forward, what are forex broker? Now, forex broker are these are the middlemen that provide you access to the forex market. All right, they provide you access to the forex market. All right. I will give us the forex broker that I use. Yeah, I'll give you the forex broker that I use. I use Xness for now. I use Xness. So Xness provide me the opportunity to trade the financial market, right? They're one of the best broker as far as I'm concerned, right? So the link to sign up with them is below. Just click there, you see it, and sign up. If you have any issue, drop it on the comment section. I will respond to you because without a forex broker, you cannot trade the forex market. I repeat, without the forex broker, you cannot trade the forex market. So we'll be using Xness, or I'm using Xness, and I would like you also to please join me and use Xness to trade, right? So if you're supporting my channel, just use Xness to trade. So these are people that provide you access to trade. I mean, in your country where you are, imagine you want to send money to somebody in different country. You have to use the bank. The bank is not the middleman between you and the receiver, right? So that's something the forex broker does. In crypto, they're called exchange. Yeah, they're called exchange. You have plenty exchange. You have the Binance, Bybit, and what have you. So in forex, we also have a lot of brokers, a lot. But why I decided that we should use Exodus that a spread is cool. You understand what is spread more when we dive deep, right? So moving forward, so pips and pipettes, right? So these are percentage interest points, right? Percentage interest point. So a pip is a unit of change in the exchange rate of a currency pair. It is used to define the change in value between two currencies. It is it reference for forex trader to communicate the difference in price movement, right? Yes. So if you move from where you are staying right now to a different city, you can tell how the distance you've covered or the time you spend in making this movement. So the time it will take to for any currency pair to move is what we call pips, percentage interest point, right? Yeah. So looking at this point here, this number here, you see, this is 10,000 pips, 10,000 pips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10,000 pips. So moving to this number, we have 1,000. Market has made 1,000 pips. This from here down, it has made what 200 pips. From here down, it has made what 10 pips. From here down, it has made what 1 pip, one. And this is pipette. Pipette. In time we have seconds and minutes. Um, does second really matter? Of course, without the second, I don't think we'll have many. But people don't actually pay attention to the seconds, right? Yes, unless you're an athlete. So they don't pay attention to the second. Likewise in Forex, a lot of persons don't pay attention to pipette or less pips. So if you have this number, this particular the last number there is the pipette, right? Then for the second number ranging up is known as the pips, right? So what is lot size? Now in the financial market, Forex is traded in a specific unit called lots. Hmm? Lot in Forex simply means volume. Volume, right? So market move 2 pips, right? And you and I are trading. You're able to trade with the volume you have, right? And I trade with the volume I have. We make the same pips, but we're not going to make the same value, the same money, the same dollar. We're not going to make the same dollar because of what? Lot size, because of the volume. So it is the quantity of a financial asset one can buy or sell at any given time in the market. It is the quantity of what? Of a financial asset one can buy or sell at any given time in the financial market. All right? In the financial market. So that is lot size. Oh, you see all of this. All right, so lot sizes. A lot is the number of units of the base currency that you can buy and sell at a time. So how do lot correlate to profit and loss? Now, one standard lot, these are different lots we have in the forex market. And this is small on derived. We have standard lot of 100 units, right? 100 units. And this is um one lot size equals to 100 units. In other words, a standard lot. So it's simply telling you that for every one pip, you're making $10. So if Euro USD make 2 pips, you've made what? $20 using this lot size, right? Then this is the unit you're able to accumulate, right? The units of the currency you're able to accumulate. So imagine we going to buy probably rice, and the money you have can give me 1 bag of rice, but the money you have can give you 10 bags. So you accumulated more volume than more unit rather than I because of the volume you have. The volume there has to do with your what? The money, your pot, your buying power, right? So once you're using one lot size to trade, it simply means you're buying 100,000 units of that particular currency, and one pips will give you $10. So if you make 10 pips, it's 10 times 10. That's $100 for 10 pips. It's making sense right now, right? Now, mini lot size, you're buying 10,000 pieces or units, and that means you're using 0.1 lot size, 0.1 lot size, and in 0.1 lot size, you're making what? $1 per pip. So if Euro USD make 10 pips, that means you're making $10. Macro lots 0.01. This is the least in forex market. So you're making $0.1 per pips. So this is how you calculate. So if a forex trader tell you, oh, I made 100 pips today, right? I made 100 pips today. If you know the volume, you can calculate what the dollar he made, the profit he made from the market. And nano lot, this is mainly for, I think I use this on Derive. You can get this on Derive. I don't think you can use this on Forex market. Derive, there's a branch of Forex called Derive, you know. All right, so that is that. So ponder more on this. You can rewatch the video. Any question, just drop on the comment section. I will reply, or on the Telegram group. All right. Moving forward, that time is fasting. All right, so let's talk about leverage. Leverage. Now, leverage is the amount of money that is being lent to you by your broker to do business. So, ordinarily, your small money can't trade the forex market. So, that small money you're coming with, your broker, Snes that we're going to be using, will be borrowing you some money. You understand? To trade. They'll be borrowing you some money. And the money they are borrowing you, don't bother, you can't withdraw that, or you can't even lose it. It has been programmed, right? but just understand this for, I'm assuming everybody's in, we are all new to this, so just follow him step by step. So leverage, like I said, this is the amount of money that is being lent to you by your broker to do business, right? Now, if that is what they've given to you, there's something called margin. Oops, our time is up. We'll continue in our next session. Please take your time to digest what we've done today. Take your time to digest what we've done today and summarize it, right? Summarize lot size, pips, and all of that, and leverage. Summarize what it is, right? And drop as an assignment to my comment section or to the Telegram group. Thank you once again. My name remains Brown Goodluck. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.